Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your rosemary bush bushier. To achieve a fuller, more vibrant plant, consistent care and strategic pruning are key. We'll cover simple techniques that encourage new growth and prevent your rosemary from becoming leggy. By following these steps, you can enjoy a healthier, more productive herb that looks fantastic in your garden or container. To prune effectively, focus on the new, soft growth. Snip off the top 2 to 3 inches of these shoots, always cutting just above a leaf node. This encourages the plant to branch out, creating a denser appearance. Also, regularly remove any dead or woody branches from the interior to improve air circulation and overall plant health. This simple action makes a big difference. Beyond pruning, the right environment is crucial for a bushy rosemary. It thrives in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Plant it in well-draining soil, as rosemary dislikes wet feet, which can lead to root rot. Water thoroughly when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry to the touch, then allow it to dry out before watering again. These conditions promote strong growth. For continued bushiness, ongoing care is essential. Fertilize sparingly in the spring with a balanced liquid feed, as rosemary doesn't need much. If your plant is in a pot, check if it's root-bound and consider repotting into a slightly larger container. Finally, harvest your rosemary regularly. This acts as a natural pruning, encouraging fresh, new growth and helping to maintain its desired bushy shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.